With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question is, for the following system shown, assume that pulley is frictionless and string is massless, M remains on M. We have to find out the force on the ceiling is. Okay. So we have to find out the force on this ceiling. Okay. So now as you can see in the diagram that there is two blocks, block A and B having the same mass capital M, and we assume that block A is moving in upward direction with the acceleration A. Now the pulley is frictionless and string is massless. That means block B is also going downward with the same acceleration, that is A, and we have to find out this A. Now we are going to make free body diagram for this block A, block B, and the ceiling. This is the ceiling and we have to find out the free body diagram of block A, B, and this ceiling. Now this block A, free body diagram for block A, free body diagram. Now as you can see that there is a block A which is having mass capital M and it is moving with acceleration A in upward direction. So the weight is acting downwards, that is mg, and there is a tension in string, that is T. Because of this weight there is a tension in string, that is T. So from this, the equation from Newton's law of motion, I can write net force equals to, net force is T minus mg, that is equals to m a, mg equals to m a. Suppose this is my equation first. Okay, now I'm going to the same free body diagram for the block B. Block B is, suppose this is the block B and it is having a small block C. The mass is capital M and the mass of C is small m. Now the net weight is acting downward and this block is moving downward with the same acceleration A. So net weight, that is capital M plus m g, is acting downwards, and because of that tension is acting upward. So the equation of net force is given by m plus mg minus T, that is equals to m plus m a. Suppose this is my equation second. Now I'm going to draw a free body diagram for the ceiling. As you can see that ceiling is connect with these two. The tension in this part is T and the tension in this part is T. That means at ceiling there is two tensions that is acting, this T and this T. So there is 2T acting on this ceiling and mass is acting downward and mass of ceiling is given as m. That means for ceiling, suppose this is ceiling having mass m, so weight is acting downward, that is capital mg, and there are tension which is equals to 2T, because this ceiling is connected with two strings and in each string there is tension of T, so the total tension is 2T. So for this the equation can be written as 2T, sorry, this tension in the downward direction, I'm sorry, this tension acting on this pulley is in downward direction, 2T. So now this and this is in the same direction, so that means 2T plus mg net force is equals to m a. Suppose this is my equation third. So these are the free body diagrams of A, B, and C. Okay, so this is actually 2T acting on downward. Here I will show you. This is the ceiling and tension T and T, that is 2T in the downward direction. Okay, so now from equation first I can find out the value of tension, that is equals to T equals to MA plus mg. From this equation I can write tension equals to mg plus ma. Okay, so suppose this is my equation fourth. Now I'm going to put the value of T in equation third. Okay, in equation third, first we have to find out the value of acceleration actually. So when I'm going to add equation 1 and 2, going to add equation 1 and 2. Add equation 1 and 2, and after adding I will have, first equation is given as t minus mg, that is equals to ma. This is first equation, and second equation is m plus mg minus t, that is equals to m plus ma. Now when I am going to add these equations, that means t cancel out, and now I have mg equals to 2m plus ma. So from here the value of acceleration will be coming out to be mg upon 2m plus m. This is the value of acceleration in upward direction. Now we have the value of acceleration as well as the value of tension. Suppose this is my equation 5th. Now in equation 4th I have the value of tension, that is equals to mg plus ma, and in equation 5th I have the value of a. So I am going to put the value of a and t in equation 4, that is the equation of sealing. Okay, third equation is basically 2t plus mg equals to ma. Now I am going to put the value of t and a in this equation. So finally I have 2 mg plus mmg upon 2m plus m plus mg. Now further, this is the net force. Okay, so now further simplifying this, I will have mg, and in bracket I will have, this is mg, and 2 plus m upon mg is common, so I take mg is common, so inside it is 2 plus small m upon 2m plus m plus 1, because mg is common, mg. Okay, so now further simplifying this, I will have, that is equals to mg. I am going to take LCM. Okay, so the LCM is 2m plus m, 2m plus m. So now I will have 4m plus 2m plus 2m plus 2 capital M plus m. Now as you can see, there is 4m and 2m, that means 6m. So this is 6m, and plus 2 small m and m, this is 5 small m upon 2m plus m. So this is the net force on the ceiling, that is equals to capital mg, and in bracket it is 6m plus 5m upon 2m plus m. So let's check the option. The last option, which is 6m plus 5m mg upon 2m plus m, is the correct option. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.